Hiya, are you someone who wants to make money on YouTube, but you don't know how? You are in the right place because I'll give you 10 ways how you can make money on YouTube. People make money on YouTube differently. Sometimes it depends on the content that you are sharing. Sometimes it depends on the audience, where the audience is watching your content from. Is it in UK? Is it in Malawi? So yeah, without wasting much of your time, let's get into it. Number one, by selling your own products. You can sell your product. For example, in my case, I would say, I published my book. I'll put the link in the chat. Can you buy my book? It's on Amazon or whatever you are selling your product. Number two, here on YouTube, if you hit 1 subscribers, you are allowed to sell your products. This is why we see some people have merchandise, some people sell different things. Number three, sponsorship. This is where you can go and talk to a brand that you love, that you use, that is common in your area, that is a brand that people will benefit, will be of relevance to your benefit. You speak to them to say, can I advertise? Can I talk about your brand on my channel? And you agree on the money and you are paid upfront, something like that. You agree certain terms. Number four, if you are on YouTube, YouTube has ads. This is why we see adverts, sometimes videos after certain minutes, an advert comes in, and then before you continue, yeah, and like that. So that's number four, YouTube ads. Number five, Patreon/crowdfunding. I'll put information about Patreon. This is where you ask people to donate because they love your work, they love what you are sharing, so you want to give them some other exclusive benefits. So you create an account on Patreon, and then you set up donations there to say, if you donate so much, this is what you'll be getting on monthly basis. So you have an income coming. So each time when you are sharing on YouTube, you talk about your Patreon account to say, please be uh, my, take a membership for my Patreon account so that you will have a lot of time with me. You'll be able to ask me questions, for example, questions and answers and things like that. Number six, YouTube has its own membership program as well, just like similar to Patreon, but this is the inbuilt on YouTube site itself. Number seven, this is what is called the YouTube partnership program. You have to have a minimum of 1,000 subscribers, as well as 4,000 hours of public watch, because you are just beginning, you are just a beginner, but you have to know where you are going. So once you hit that level, YouTube starts paying you for the views and things like that. Number eight, it's shorts. YouTube made an announcement to say from 1st February 2023, shorts, these are very short videos on YouTube, just like we have reels on Facebook, reels on Instagram and stuff like that. YouTube has shorts. So they announced that from 1st of February 2023 they will be monetizing shorts. This is through views, through adverts and things like that. Number nine, and this is my favorite, affiliate marketing. You create an account on a website called ClickBank, and then you browse the products that they have there. You pick what you like or what you think would sell. And so how affiliate programs work is that you on the ClickBank, you get a link to promote a certain product, and you put it when you are making your videos on YouTube. You mention to say, I have affiliate link in the description below. If you like this product, please use this link. I'll be making some money if you buy through this link. So anyone that will buy the affiliate, will buy that product. The product is not even yours. You just went on ClickBank, where different brands are offering their products there, and that if you help them sell, they'll give you a commission. So you sell people's products, companies' products on a commission. You only get paid after if someone has bought the product using the link that is attached to your account. So I'll put the details about ClickBank as well in the comments below, so that if you are interested in that, you can just start straight away. Number 10, and this is my bonus point. After you've created your big audience now on the YouTube, instead of promoting other people's products, which we have said by sponsorships and all this and all of that, you have now your audience and people trust you, and people have been purchasing the products that you have been promoting, but these are not your products. This is the time now to think about how you can have a product of your own. So for example, if you've been promoting coffee that another organization makes, how can you have your own coffee company? Because you already have an audience who love coffee and they've been buying coffee. How can you partner with the other people who are producing coffee so that you are part of that organization? This, I think, is the biggest way how you can get, yeah, because we're talking of a massive empire here.